Alrighty guys, we're here at Hilton in Charleston, South Carolina. Look at that hole in the wall. Anyway, as I was walking around the hotel on the 3rd floor, I just found another elevator here. This is like kind of like the back elevator. And we got another Otis. And yes, we're going up. Look at that really ugly ceiling tile. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the light's so bright. But anyway, we'll go for it. Yep, MRL. Going down. Ground floor. Oh my gosh, this thing is so bad. Yeah, these things are so bad. But what's up with the weird lighting? This thing is also, look at this low handrail. Difference in height in handrail. What the heck is this thing? I just don't like these models again too. These are like new series 2. As you can tell, this is the reason why I don't like these models, is because they are so flimsy. And I'm not even joking. These things are so flimsy. But anyway, we're in video 3. I hate to say it, but these things are, you know, a piece of garbage, man. These things are a piece of garbage. But, yeah. That is the other elevator at the hotel. And I guess that is going to be it for me.